if you want to create driver's account for Uber, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, download the Uber, right? Uber driver, right? Those are different two apps. The first one that we talked about was for requesting a drive or requesting a ride, but this one is for drivers or the people who work at Uber. So I'm gonna just go ahead and open up the Uber and make sure that you allow the location for Uber. Now what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead and click continue from here, and you're gonna add your phone number or continue with Apple or Google, right? In my case, I'm gonna continue with Apple, and I'm gonna confirm via facial recognition, and I'm gonna wait for a few moments right here, and allow notifications, ask app not to track. And basically, if you added your phone number or if you use your phone number, you're gonna be able to have access to basically they will send you, of course, verification code before, and then you're gonna be able to see the settings just like this, right? So now you just created your own Uber account. Just follow along to add your profile photo, driving license, and vehicle registration, and find a vehicle. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.